Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make microwave flan. This easy method will guide you through creating a delicious, creamy dessert with minimal effort. We'll start by preparing a simple caramel, then mix up a smooth custard, and finally, cook it all perfectly in your microwave. Get ready to enjoy a delightful treat that's surprisingly quick to make, perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings without a lot of fuss. First, let's make the caramel. In a microwave-safe dish, combine about 1/4 cup of sugar with 1 tablespoon of water. Microwave on high for 1 to 3 minutes, or until it turns a rich golden brown. Be sure to watch it closely, as caramel can burn quickly. Carefully swirl the hot dish to coat the bottom and sides evenly. Let it cool for a few minutes until it hardens. Now for the creamy custard. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and about 1/4 cup of sugar until everything is well combined. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic flan flavor. For an extra smooth texture, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Carefully pour this custard base over the hardened caramel in your microwave-safe dish. Cover your dish loosely with microwave-safe plastic wrap, leaving a small vent. Microwave on medium power for 5 to 8 minutes. Cooking times vary, so check for a set but slightly jiggly center. Once cooked, remove it from the microwave and let it cool completely on the counter. Then, refrigerate for at least 2 hours or until thoroughly chilled. Invert onto a plate and enjoy your delicious, easy microwave flan.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.